Hey, it's Dr. Moore again with the Family Center of Wellness, coming to you again by the important announcement. Mark your calendars, save the date, July 31st, 7 to 9 p.m. There's going to be another diabetic power pack seminar. Are you a diabetic? Someone you know a diabetic. Are you thinking you're not a diabetic? Maybe you just don't know you are a diabetic. Me, hopefully, personally, I hope you're not a diabetic. But you know what? We got to make some changes because diabetes affects 9 out of every 10 person. That's a lot of people. 1 in 3 are dealing with diabetes. And the thing about it is, our children are now getting diabetes at 5, 6, 7, 8 years old. We got to make some changes. Hey, this seminar, diabetes. You know, when you think about it for a minute, I'm going to read what it exactly says. It says, diabetes, high blood pressure, cancer, are you at risk? Now, have you ever been told this before? Discover the hidden truths that your blood profile, or that's your blood report, could be saying about you. If you've ever wondered why you were told it was all in your head, well, guess what? This is for you. How many have been there? Say you can never find out what's going wrong with you, but it's always in your head, but you know what you feel. This diabetic pack seminar, are you at risk for diabetes? July 31st, 7 to 9 p.m. La Quinta Inn, where I-30 and Bobtown Road. I'm going to promise you this. It's the North Point La Quinta, and you want to be there. Why? Because for this hour-and-a-half pack seminar, you're going to learn some basic understanding of food. What if the food that you're eating could be upsetting your sugar, blood sugar? Maybe you're eating too much sweets. Maybe you're not eating enough sweets. What if your carbs are off, not balanced right? You know, you're going to learn some basic things, but I just don't want you to be one of the 9 out of 10 that are facing with diabetes every day. You need to be at this Power Pack seminar. Tell your friends, grab them up, come and learn about diabetes, because 1 in 3, just think about it, our future, your children, maybe your grandchildren is a diabetic already. Come learn how to get diabetes under control, because me, I did it myself. Come check out my new book, 47 Tips to Reverse Diabetes. Hey, there's a possibility you can reverse yours too. But you know what? There's help. There's hope. Let's get it under control. Come to this Power Pack seminar. Where? La Quinta, Bobtown Road, I-30, Garland, Texas. Say it again, Garland, Texas. Come over there. It's not far from your house. Make time. Come see Dr. Moore talk about diabetes and some other issues that will be pertaining to you. See you then.